Umentri rang ba banrap chaka sarkar jalao ba Prestone tin song ula Kyntait lut ki kai phat baro ki pakadoi ka Jinglait ka Khajnana na ka Jingkhaïi Dewiong Sha cha Bangladesh lengba ka gaswa para.
They made allegation by saying that illegal mining of coal takes place. That is number one. And number two, illegal movement of coal takes place. And again, number three, the allegation is illegal movement of so-called authorized coal from other states or from other countries again takes place in Meghalaya. These are the three allegations. Let me just tell you one thing. If it really happened, if you really have a documentary proof, please don't feel shy to bring it to the notice of the government. Bring it, we are there. We are against illegalities of any sort. We are here to make sure illegalities stop. I would like to request the Honorable Leader of Opposition, Dr. Khajnana, to produce the documents. Give it to the government. Submit that documents you have to the government, and action will be taken accordingly.
Uba Prestone tin song ka bay krem glap thai ko bor lo ang bakam don ka Jinglait ka Khajnana na ki tiar ki prayo jingbit na ka tanat badai pej.
Any items which is already listed, approved by the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India, leakage of revenue does not arise because you need to go through a proper channel, be it BSF, be it custom station. They need to pass it with all the detailed documents. Okay, so shipment bill has to be signed by the custom office.
Wang bayo Dewiong na Bhutan, Nagaland, but na Assam, la Khajnana sa Bangladesh, lengba ka jala Meghalaya. La apa kedo pat hang ni bagi pulut ka Assam kila dapat kem ya sangut ki brio ki badan keti ha kani ka kam.
Not possible. Because see the transit pass is there. The transit chalan is always there. Because see some coal comes from Bhutan. So it has to be routed through either Meghalaya or West Bengal. So some land custom station happens to be located in West Bengal, and some of them here in Meghalaya. It depends on the wishes of the exporters, which route they wanted to take up, which large custom station they wanted to to transit their items. That is very simple.